Ni Uthuthuria watafanirio gatagati ka mweri wa kenda na wa 10 mwaka muhituku thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47. Uthuthuria uri hithuretie maundu ngurani makonainie na ikiro cia ungumania guku bururi-ini. Kuringana na muikaririete wa kamiti no ya EACC muthikafu Eliud Bukala, minister ugitiri wa thiinii niyo itongoretie hari ungumania na gicunji kia 64.7 hari igana, ikirumirwo ni minister ugima wa mwiri na gicunji kia 27.8 hari igana, na minister ya migunda ikinyitira namba 3 na gicunji kia 23.9 hari igana. Uthuthuria uyu ningi no uhithuretie ati namba ya andu aria marihaga mahaki niguo mamukire motungata mothe wabici-ini cia thirikari ni ongererekete kuma gicunji kia 46 hari igana uthuthuria-ini wa mwaka wa 2016 nginya gicunji kia 62 hari igana thiini wa uthuthuria uyu mweru.
They said if you don't bribe, you cannot get a service. And in others, somebody goes there ready with the money in the pocket because it's actually expected. So I must be ready for that service. And in other places, it's because of the nature of us, where we are not patient enough to wait for a service to be done. So we are quickly able to give so that they hasten services and we go away.
Kaunti ya Mandera niwe itongoretie hari gwitia muingi mbeca iria nyingi niguo mamukire motungata mothe. Kaunti ya Githumo ikirumirira gukirikana metagia makiria ma 26,000 na baitho ndeto-ini ino ari kaunti ya Busia gukirikana metagia makiria ma 18,000. Kaunti ya Murang'a ikinyitira namba 5 na makiria ma ciringi 9,000, ukanayo kaunti ya Nairobi igiuka namba 6 na makiria ma ciringi 8,000. Na guikuruka hari mundu kiumbe ni ati Akenya gatatu thiini wa gikundi kia andu 10 mangiheo kanya no mekuruhania na maundu ma ungumania, guku Akenya eri thiini wa gikundi gia 10 makiuga manekuruhania na maundu maya, kuria Wabukala ugite hari bata Akenya manyita itemi riria riria gukumithia ciiko ici kaimana.
We want to say to you that you are so critical in the fight against corruption, because it cannot be the work of just one person or one agency, but it must be teamwork from all levels of our society.
No ona thengia ruhonge rwa magoti gukorwo rugiukirirwo ni muingi ni kwaga wigiririki, uthuthuria uyu wonanitie ruhonge ruru ni ru andu metikitie muno na gicunji kia 60 hari igana, ikirumirwo ruhonge rwa thirikari na gicunji kia 57 hari igana, guku honge iria ikoragwo ikihurana na ungumania igiuka namba 3 na gicunji kia 54 hari igana. Wabukala akiuga muoroto wa munene ni gutigira ni mahukia ndamathie ungumania guku bururi-ini, ona gutigira ni magathika mitaratara ya kuigana kumateithiriria gukinyaniria ndeto eno.
Going forward, the Commission proposes to lobby for strengthening of leadership, integrity and corruption laws to allow for expeditious completion of cases, because some cases take too long and the bottlenecks around cases being processed are huge. Therefore, we shall have to study those systems.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Retoria Kwanenogari, Wakamau.